Hi, I'm Lana. Welcome to my channel. Here you can listen to simple English stories that help you improve your English step by step. Please relax and enjoy the story. Victoria and Jane were best friends. They grew up together and went to the same school. "We will always stay friends," Victoria said. "No man will ever break our friendship," Jane answered. One day, Victoria met a man named William. They met at a small party. "Hi, I'm William," he said. "I'm Victoria." "Nice to meet you," she replied. A few days later, William texted Victoria. "How was your day?" William asked. "It was good, and yours?" Victoria replied. "Better when I think about you," William said. Victoria felt happy and excited, but she did not tell Jane about William yet. 3 weeks later, Jane met William too. They met in a bookstore by chance. "Excuse me, do you know where the history books are?" Jane asked. "Yes, I can show you," William answered. They started talking and went for coffee. "I recently broke up," William told Jane. "I'm sorry to hear that," Jane said. "It's okay. It was for the best," William replied. Soon William was seeing both women. Victoria and Jane did not know the truth. "Victoria, you are special to me," William told her. He said the same words to Jane. One day, Victoria asked, "Why didn't you answer me last night?" "I was busy with work," William replied. Jane heard the same excuse later. One afternoon, Victoria and Jane met at a cafe. "I have something to tell you," Victoria said. "Me too," Jane answered. Victoria showed a photo on her phone. "This is William," Victoria said. Jane turned pale. "His name is William?" Jane asked quietly. "Yes, why?" Victoria replied. "Because I am seeing him too," Jane said. There was silence between them. "How long?" Victoria asked. 3 weeks, Jane answered. 3 weeks? Me too, Victoria said. They both understood the truth. "He lied to both of us," Jane said softly. "Yes, he did," Victoria replied. "He told me I was special." Victoria gave a sad smile. "He told me the same thing," she said. Now everything made sense. William was dating both of them. Victoria took a deep breath. "We could fight," she said, "but he is the real problem." Jane suddenly smiled. "What if we don't fight? What if we surprise him instead?" Victoria's eyes lit up. "You mean we meet him together?" Jane nodded. "Let's invite him to the same place," Jane said. "At the same time, Victoria agreed. William agreed to meet Victoria at 6 p.m. Victoria asked Jane to come at the same time. William did not know about it. Saturday evening arrived. Victoria was already sitting at a table. She looked calm but serious. William walked in and smiled. "Hi, Victoria," he said warmly. Then the door opened again. Jane walked in slowly. William's smile disappeared. His face turned pale. Jane looked at Victoria. "Oh, Victoria, what a surprise," she said calmly. William stood frozen. Victoria turned to him. "Do you want to explain something?" Her voice was steady. William swallowed nervously. "I didn't plan this," he said. "I can explain. You both mean a lot to me," he continued. "I didn't want to lose either of you." Jane crossed her arms. "So, you decided not to choose?" Jane asked. William looked down. "I just couldn't choose." Victoria shook her head slowly. "If you can't choose," she said, "maybe neither of us is the one." Jane stood up. "Maybe you need someone else," she added. "Someone you don't have to compare." William tried to speak again, but no words came out. He looked small and embarrassed. Victoria picked up her bag. "We deserve someone who is sure," she said. Jane nodded firmly. The girls walked toward the door together. They did not look back. William stayed alone at the table. Outside, the evening air felt fresh. Jane joined her. "We almost argued because of him," Jane said. Victoria smiled. "But we chose each other." Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.